Hi everyone, this is G. Shivani, BCom Computers second year from THW RDC W Nalgonda. I want to explain about correlation and its types. Now let us understand correlation. The statistical techniques which deals with the association between two or more variables is known as correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is a covariation between two or more variables given by A.M. Turnell. Let us understand types of correlation. Positive and negative correlation, simple and multiple correlation, partial and total correlation, linear and non-linear correlation. Let us know positive and negative correlation. If two variables move in same direction, it is positive correlation. And if they move in opposite direction, it is negative correlation. When price is increase, then supply increase. When price is decrease, supply is decrease. It is an example of positive correlation. Next, when prices increase, demand is decrease. When prices increase, when prices decrease, demand is increase. It is an example of negative correlation. Next, simple and multiple correlation. When relationship between only two variables is studied, then it is simple correlation. For example, correlation between price and demand. Next, when relationship between more than two variables is studied, then it is multiple correlation. For example, relationship between price, demand and other determinants of demand. Let us understand partial and total correlation. Partial correlation studies the relationship between two variables while controlling third variable. Total correlation studies the relationship between all the variables. Linear and nonlinear correlation. Linear relationship suggests the two quantities of proportional to each other. The linear relationship forms a straight line. Non-linear relationship is in general or any relationship which is not linear. Thank you.